Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the evil within 2. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls, which are crucial for navigating the terrifying world of Union. Understanding movement, aiming, and basic attacks will set you on the right path. You'll also learn the importance of stealth, allowing you to conserve precious resources and avoid unnecessary confrontations. Mastering the crafting system early on is key, as it enables you to create vital ammunition and healing items, ensuring your survival against the horrors that await. Next, let's dive into mastering both combat and stealth. When facing enemies, always look for environmental advantages like explosive barrels or traps to turn the tide in your favor. Aiming for critical weak points, often the head, will maximize your damage and save ammunition. For a quieter approach, stealth takedowns are incredibly effective, allowing you to eliminate threats without alerting others. Remember, sometimes avoiding a fight altogether is the smartest strategy, especially when resources are scarce. Adapt your approach to each situation for the best outcome. Resource management is absolutely vital for surviving the horrors within. You'll collect green gel from defeated enemies and weapon parts scattered throughout Union. Use these to upgrade Sebastian's abilities, like health and stamina, and enhance your weapons. Prioritize upgrades that suit your playstyle, whether it's improving your handgun's damage or increasing your sprint duration. Always keep a close eye on your limited ammunition and healing items. Crafting strategically and knowing when to use your supplies will make a significant difference in your journey through this nightmare. Finally, don't forget to thoroughly explore every corner of Union. Hidden secrets, valuable resources, and crucial lore are often tucked away in unexpected places. Completing side missions is highly recommended, as they offer additional experience, unique weapons, and helpful rewards that can significantly aid your progress. Pay close attention to environmental clues. They often point towards puzzle solutions or the location of important items. A keen eye and a willingness to explore will uncover many advantages and deepen your understanding of the game's chilling narrative.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.